In today's fast-paced production environment, efficient and high-quality sealing equipment is crucial to the development of enterprises. The emergence of high-speed sealing machines has undoubtedly brought great convenience and significant improvement to many industries. High-speed sealing machine shows amazing speed with its excellent performance. It can complete the sealing work of a large number of products in a very short time, greatly improving the production efficiency and meeting the needs of large-scale production of enterprises. Not only that, this sealing machine in the high-speed operation at the same time can still ensure excellent sealing quality. The sealing is tight, flat, and beautiful, effectively preventing product leakage, moisture, and deterioration, providing a reliable guarantee for product storage and transportation. Its operation is simple and convenient. The staff can master it after simple training. Moreover, the high-speed sealing machine has good stability and durability and can run stably for a long time, reducing the cost of equipment maintenance and repair. High-speed sealing machine is used in a wide range of scenarios. It can be used for packaging of fats and oils, dried fruits, nuts, tea, frozen processed meats, chemical coatings, powder coatings, maltose, medical supplies, etc. It can quickly complete the sealing to ensure the freshness and safety of the products. High-speed sealing machine makes the production line sealing link efficiency greatly improved. Product quality has also been highly recognized by customers, further enhanced the market competitiveness of enterprises. Choosing a high-speed sealing machine is to choose a highly efficient production method, creating more value and opportunities for your business.